And this is the morning batch, 7 to 9. The guys are going to speak at the first time in front of the camera. And topic has been given to them. The topic is money versus education. So they are going to speak at the first time. So please, guys, and please watch the video. And if they are doing any kind of mistakes here, so please and please apologize for that because they are going to start and they are going to effort for speaking. So I'm going to start from Samir, sir. So yeah, what topic are you supporting, guys? Sorry,
Education, sir.
education. And what topic are you supporting, sir?
Some money.
So the topic, as you can see, that they are supporting education, they are supporting money. Okay, so let's start the video, guys.
Thank you so much, sir.
ठीक है मिस्टर बड़े यही बोलना था
Thank you so much, sir. Good morning, everybody. My name is Sameer, and today I am talking about education important. So, if I'm talking about education, so education is very important for our country and our life. Without education, you can't do anything, and you can't survive good life. It's my point.
Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Alam, and we people are supporting money. I am agree with your point that in this world no one can go without money. Sorry, education. But I am supporting also that in this world no one can go without money because in every step of life we requires money. If you want to achieve education knowledge, in that case you have also required for money. So that's from all.
Good morning, sir. I agree your point, but according to me, sir, without education, you don't know anything about money. Education is primary source of our body, yeah, our life. I think money is like a growth of point, and you need, but education is part of our life. Without education, you don't know what about your money. Like that's my point.
Good morning, guys. My opinion is money. There are many things in, and there are many things, and we can do anything. We can do anything with money, and we can do build business, and we can wear the clothes, and best education can. That's my point.
I agree with your argument, but I am supporting education. So because if you earn money, so you get education. Because if you have lot of money, you how to spend money, how to wear clothes properly. It's all about an education. Without education, you can't wear properly dress and moral ethics type. So that cause education is important to us.
Sir, according to me, you say you started a business with help of money, but without education, which type of education you started? That's my point. Without education, you don't understand which business is helpful for you, and which business is help to growth of you, and you earning much of money. Like without education, you started a business, then you also I think you also destroy business and loss of our business. That's my point.
I agree to your opinion. Your education take a long time and some efforts, but money don't take a long time and efforts. Money achieve you achieve money. You do work then achieve your money, and money is helpful fulfill the basic needs and desires like travel and cars. Money and education may not lead always instant income. That's right. So my point is money is good for our life. It's okay, but if comparison to education, so education is very important. Education is very important because if you want to purchase anything, so you have a money, you can purchase.
but if you don't have education knowledge, so how you say this is good for me and good for him, and if like and you knowledge is good uh, for society, like Gandhi ji. So he is a knowledge, he was a knowledge person, so he gave me freedom with education and knowledge, not for money. So it's my point.
Sir, as you told that uh, having education in society is better, but in our society, most of the IAS, IPS, most as administrative governors are corrupted. They have knowledge, but they are corrupted. You see in the news nowadays in newspaper, most people are corrupted because they have knowledge. They works for money. They want for money, so they also corrupted. So I am not agree with your point that having education is the best for society. The corruption is occurs in nowadays because of money. That's my point, sir.
Saying that you said to here now.
Thank you so much for giving your opinions. Sir, firstly, you told that without education, you didn't spend your money. Sir, firstly, education need money. If you don't have money, you didn't do your education. You know how is the budget of education? It is a 78.57 crore approx. So without money, you didn't take education. And sir, you told that how will how will expense the other thing in education. Sir, firstly, if you complete your education, then firstly you need money. After complete your high school, inter class, and like graduation completed, then after completed graduation, firstly you need a job. Then why are you doing job? For earning money. So money is a more important things according to me.
I agree your point, but I think education is like a primary part of our life, like birth of child to started getting education, but money is not a role of birth child. Right? Like, and you say like without money you're not getting education. Sometimes money helps to you to getting education, but with you not purchase a education with money, right? I think yes, sir.
In nowadays, some college provides your education with uh, लेने को- by accepting. In nowadays, some college provide your degrees by achieve money, but uh, and there is education system is not good this time in nowadays because some college and some schools pass by taking money and
You see the education's only like a certificate and diplomas and degrees. Education is our life like a social ethics, social norms. What you do in our society, what you treat your parents, it's also relate to education. That I see. Like you think like education is like only you getting education in like degrees and diplomas, then it is also education. No, like education is like our society, how to work, what do you treat, like what your lifestyle is also is a part of education, what you dressing wear and what your behavior is also part of education. That's my point, right? What do you say?
Yes, actually, sir said here, so education is sorry, education's budget is very high. Yeah, I'm agree with you. But if you don't have more knowledge, so you can buy a decide a budget, but you have a more knowledge, so you give entrance exams, like, and government opportunities, so you also get a you want to be something, so you can do, like if you want to be uh, MBBS, like doctor, so you crack the NEET, and going IMM. Like there was a very loss budget, and there are you should learn everything with loss money. So education is good. Like if you are sick and if you are your hand is fracture, so you go doctors, go doctors, and he is knowledge persons and education person, so he also repaired you. It's my point.
Yes, sir, I agree with your point. But suppose that you know that Dolly Singh Chaiwala, he don't have any type of do education. Now he is a billionaire. So there is a lot of talking about Ambani's son. Ambani's son has a golden spoon in her mouth. Reason her father has a lots of money. So there is a lots of example. It's my point, sir.
Sir, as you told that if my hand become fractured, I will have to go to with a doctor. Now, what the doctor will require? While the will he require for degree, or will you show your degree, or you will give money? In that case, you will not, your work will not done by your degrees. Here you will require for money. So money is important, but education is also important. I am supporting, but in that case, as you told that money is important than degree, your degrees in that situation. In that case,
But according to me, money working there, if that you need I means listen, like money working there, you need something, like you want to purchase clothes. So firstly, what is your need? Clothes. Purchase clothes. So for purchasing, money is I means money is a second part of life. For first part of life, what is need, what is education. It's my point.
Sir, by money you purchase all the things like government, schools, police, all the things. But suppose that education, you have a educated person and you have not do a job. Then talking about house, families told that you are a jobless, you didn't do anything. But in suppose that sometime you are not educated and you have a do a good business, then everyone support you. You are like families and societies and everyone support you and everyone give a respect. Without money you do anything. It's my point, sir.
Okay, I agree with your point, but you say Dolly Singh Chaiwala and you forgot about the Bill Gates and many educated people who are billionaires. Like you answer says the every person are corrupted, and you forgot about Swami Vivekanand, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who gave the name in our country like missile man. So how can you say money is more than the education? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam doesn't charge anything, and sir says also say doctor charge about their service, not fulfill their requirements. Like he charge only service there. In ancient time also charge their barter system like, so that cause.
I agree with you. Gandhiji also belonged to rich. Gandhiji also belonged to rich family, and that's why he he got educated person. Then money is more important for education. That's why money is everything. Every you can do everything with companies and abroad, and you will travel anywhere, and money is more important.
sir, as you told that now we talk about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So think about that when he was studying, and he sold it newspaper on the stations, only for having education. If didn't sold, they didn't sell any newspaper on the stations, how can he get education? So in that case also requires money, sir. That's all.
He said that Gandhiji and APJ Abdul Kalam, this time was that time was so poverty, and this time also difference between this time and that time. This time person needs money. That time person needs people to provide all facilities and helpful for our society. This time the person not helpful for our society. People want to only need money, and money purchase the educated person.
I agree with your point, but you in that time humanity time. In that time everyone wants money, not education. So that was I say everyone wants education, not money. So that's why I am supporting education.
According to you, sir, you say the APJ Abdul Kalam earning a money for selling a newspaper. But what you learn the story of Abdul Kalam? You understand the Abdul Kalam, sir, give the importance of education. He doing all activities to our life to importance of education. That I say. You say Abdul Kalam, sir, selling a newspaper for education. That I my point. And according to you, sir, Mahatma Gandhi belonged to a rich family. Then what about you say the Bhimrao Ambedkar? He was also poor family, but he get education and he changed the society thinking. He changed the society and he also make the constitution of our country, which is play a very important role. So why you not think like education is primary source? Money is important. I also agree the all sir's points. I understand, but I think education is primary source. Without education, you not don't understand what you say, what you do. You are according to right or wrong. You understand, but you give a education not depend on like degrees. I think education all about education. You understand, you getting education, then you realize what you right, what you wrong according to you. That's my point, sir.
Sir, as you told that people you told about, he lived in 20th century. If you talk about 21st century now, tell me the one person name who has education but don't have money. And they also he also famous as Swami Vivekanand, APJ Abdul Kalam. Tell me the one person name. In 21st century there is no people who don't have education, who have education and don't have money. In in this 21st century, most of the people have money, as Mukesh Ambani. Most of the person, everyone knows Mukesh Ambani, and talk about Tata and Adani. He has also money. They don't have many more much education, but they have money. Though all the countrymen knows him. So if you have money, all the people will respect you, sir.
And sir, as you told that if you don't educate it, then how, which business will you start, sir? And you talking about losses, sir. If I will talking about my father is didn't do any type of class and any type do type of any schools, he didn't go, but now his math is too good. Reason, ancient time my grandfather has a rickshaw, then he was starting a rickshaw business in ancient time, like 2005 2006 I'm talking about. Now my grandfather is a richest person, but my father is not educated. Grandfather also is not educated, but he has a lots of money. Now everyone give a respect by money, not by education. It's my point, sir.
Your father respect, but sometimes if you respect also your teacher, na also respect, and your father learn skills how to earn money. He learn skills. So it's also part of education. Education is not part of Abasa and ABC. I'm saying education is all the things, skills, based, moral things, ethics, social norms, and all the things. That's my point.
Sir, you say like your father is uneducated, but he get experience to see other people's lifestyle. Then he started business, right? That I say you get education any not institute, but you get education like any other's lifestyle, anywhere thinking, yeah, anywhere activities. That is point ki your father is getting experience to see their other person's lifestyle or other business activities. He think you say your father is expert of mathematician, right? But he get education like any persons, then he know na adding, subtracting. That is point. You have lots of money and you not count of money, or you not count of your money, then what do you say any people how much you have money? eh? Wait, please.
Sir, I have purchased also machine. If I have a lots of money, then I will purchase a machine and hire a like CA chartered account. So, and education percent depend on me, and I also give up education percent. Education percent I also give up money.
You purchasing a machine, count of money, but you don't understand the value of money, then how much money machine count, then what you say? You don't understand, but you have education. You have, without knowledge you don't know machine which count, how to work. That's my point.
Sir, as you told that, sir ने बोला, sir, I support that if I have money, I should have a little bit education. So that's why I will earn money. But if I have money, I can hire someone. Even you are sitting here. We are people are sitting here only for money. My main motive is money, and I support that education is second part of. My main motive is money. If we don't have money, we can't do anything in this world. Every sector requires money. So I'm also sitting here for money. But if I have education, then I will earn more money. And then talk ends on money.